So far, we learned how to manually discover a number of very dangerous vulnerabilities. We've seen how they work and how to exploit them. In today's video, I'd like to show you a tool that will allow you to automatically discover vulnerabilities in web applications. It will allow you to discover the vulnerabilities that we learned, plus much more. The reason why I didn't teach you this at the start because I wanted you to learn how to do it manually, and I also wanted you to know how these vulnerabilities occur, so to understand the reason behind them. Also, these are just tools, so this program is just a tool. It can make mistakes and it can show false positives. It can also miss vulnerabilities in some cases. Therefore, I wanted you to know how to do this stuff manually, so if the program doesn't work or if the program misses something, then you'll be able to find it. The best way to use these programs is as a backup or as just a tool to help you with your penetration testing. So using the tool is very simple. I'm going to go on my applications and then I'm going to type in Zap. And it's asking me if I want to save the current session when I search for something. So I'm going to say no. And this is the main view of the tool. So on the left here, you'll see the websites that you're targeting. On the right, you can attack and set the website URL. And in here, you'll see the results for your attacking or for your scan. If we go here on the cog on the left, it will allow you to modify the options for the program. So you can modify certain aspects of it, the way the fuzzer works, the way the spider works, the way the scan works. I'm going to leave everything the same. Another thing that you can modify is the policies used in the scan. So it's something similar to the scans that we were using with Nmap, the intense scan and all that. So I'm going to press on the plus. I'm going to press on the active scan. And if you press on this on the left here, and I'm going to press on the default policy. Now you can create your own policies by using the add button. I'm going to press on the default one and I'm going to go on modify to show you the aspects that you can modify. So right here you can modify the name, the threshold and the strength for the global policy. Clicking on each of these categories will allow you to modify the specific scans that will be performed. For example, in the injection tab here, we can see all the injection scans that the program is going to try. For example, we can see SQL injections here, you can see cross-site scripting here. And pressing on the threshold right here, we can set this to default, low, medium, or high. Setting it to the default will just default to the value selected here, which is medium right now. Or you can have, for example, if SQL injection is what you're looking for, if what you're looking for is access for the database, then you can set this to high so that it'll try everything and it'll try to find it in even difficult places. So I'm going to close all of this. I'm leaving everything the same. And I'm going to start my attack against the Matilda script. So we have it in 10.20.14.204 running in the Metasploitable machine. And if we go on Matilda right here, that's the URL. So literally, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. And then I'm going to attack. Now the tool is first going to try to find all the URLs, and then it's going to try and attack these URLs based on the scan policy that we used. I'm going to pause the video and resume it once the scan is over.